Welcome back to our health and fitness channel. Today, we have an exciting workout routine lined up for you that will target your chest muscles and help you build strength and definition. Get ready to challenge yourself with a series of dumbbell exercises that will take your upper body training to the next level. Let's dive right in. Exercise 1. Incline dumbbell press. Reps. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Rest time. Rest for about 60 seconds between sets. To start off, we have the incline dumbbell press. Adjust a bench to a comfortable incline angle, usually around 45 degrees. Grab a pair of dumbbells and lie back on the bench. With a controlled motion, lower the dumbbells towards your chest and then press them back up to the starting position. Remember to engage your chest muscles throughout the movement and maintain a steady breathing pattern. Exercise 2. Incline reverse grip dumbbell bench. Reps. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Rest time. Allow yourself a 60-second rest between sets. Moving on, we have the incline reverse grip dumbbell bench. Lie back on the incline bench, but this time, grip the dumbbells with an underhand grip. Lower the weights down towards your chest while keeping your elbows slightly tucked in. Push the dumbbells back up, focusing on squeezing your chest muscles at the top of the movement. This exercise targets your upper chest and inner chest muscles. Exercise 3. Decline dumbbell bench. Reps. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Rest time. Take a 60-second rest between sets. Now, let's work on the lower chest muscles with the decline dumbbell bench exercise. Set up a decline bench at an angle of around 30 degrees. Lie back and hold the dumbbells with an overhand grip. Lower the weights in a controlled manner towards your chest and then press them back up. Focus on feeling the contraction in your lower chest throughout the exercise. Exercise 4. Dumbbell pullover. Reps. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Rest time. Allow yourself a 60-second rest between sets. Next up, we have the dumbbell pullover, an excellent exercise that targets your chest, back, and shoulders. Lie flat on a bench, holding a single dumbbell with both hands extended over your chest. Slowly lower the dumbbell behind your head while maintaining a slight bend in your elbows. Return to the starting position, feeling a stretch in your chest and lats. Keep the movement controlled and focus on engaging the targeted muscles. Exercise 5. Dumbbell fly. Reps. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Rest time. Take a 60-second rest between sets. Lastly, we have the classic dumbbell fly, a staple exercise for chest development. Lie back on a flat bench, holding a dumbbell in each hand with your arms extended above your chest. With a slight bend in your elbows, lower the dumbbells out to the sides in a wide arc until you feel a stretch in your chest muscles. Contract your chest as you bring the weights back up, focusing on the mind-muscle connection. And that's a wrap for today's chest workout routine. Remember to always use proper form and technique to maximize your gains while minimizing the risk of injury. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll target a different muscle group. Keep pushing your limits, and until next time, stay fit and stay strong.